In this physics demonstration, we will begin by discussing the four fundamental types of forces. After a short review of Newton's laws, we will show you these laws in action. We will also touch on the force of friction. So to begin with, we have to understand that in physics we deal with kinematics, which is how objects move, and dynamics, which is why objects move the way they do. These forces on an object can be defined as strong or weak forces. The strongest of all forces is at the microscopic level with strong nuclear force. Weak nuclear force is found at the microscopic level as well. Their ranges may be small, but the strength is great. The other forces can be seen at the macroscopic level. Electromagnetic and gravitational forces. Gravitational force is the weakest force because it has very little effect at the microscopic level. We will be focusing our energies on the gravitational force today. Let's review what Newton's three laws of motion are. Newton's first law of motion states that an object with no net force acting on it remains at rest or moves with constant velocity in a straight line. Newton's second law of motion states that the acceleration of a body is directly proportional to the net force on it and inversely proportional to its mass. Newton's third law of motion states that when an object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts a force on the first that is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. We also wanted to review what friction is. The definition of friction states that it is a force that opposes the motion between two surfaces that are in direct contact. We will not be diving into the topic of friction too deeply, but rather mention that the spin of the cue ball is in direct contact with the felt of the table, causing friction, which slows the ball as it rolls.